Kamado Joe ready for grilling. We're going to take this lump charcoal in Rutland Safe Light fire starter squares and we're going to light it up so we can go ahead and get it smoking. After that, we're going to close it and put both vents in the wide open position. We're going to leave it this way for about 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes is up, go ahead and put on both of your heat deflectors. We covered ours in aluminum foil, but you don't have to do that. And then put on 2 grates of your choice. We're going to go ahead and take those mesquite wood chips, put them in water, and let them start soaking. This will help them to smoke longer. Okie dokie, go ahead and lay your chicken breast out on a pan. We're going to go ahead and cut the fat off of it. This is healthier and it just makes it taste better, so it's worth doing. Now you can go ahead and rub some cilantro lime seasoning into the chicken if you want to. It has a very distinct flavor. We can also go ahead and throw our garlic salt seasoning and our pepper onto the chicken. Make sure to get both sides. At this point, we are almost at 350 degrees on our Kamado Joe, and we're going to go ahead and put those mesquite wood chips into the flames. Yep, you're going to be smelling mesquite in a couple minutes, and boy does it smell good. But while you're waiting, you can go ahead and put that chicken on the grate. Okie dokie, go ahead and get to preparing those veggies. Once you get done chopping, slicing, and dicing, go ahead and put the vegetables in a bowl and pour the extra virgin olive oil over them. Okay, now you're going to want to take the salt, the garlic salt, and the pepper and put however much you want into the mixture, and then go ahead and give it a good stir. "45 minutes after you put your chicken on, it should look something about like this. We went ahead and put some non-stick Pam spray onto our griddle and then laid out our vegetables. By the way, you can probably take your chicken up, or you can leave it a little bit longer. It's up to you. Close the top and go ahead and cook those vegetables until they're nice and tender. Probably want to put some grill marks on them too, just for presentation. After that, close all the vents off on the Kamado Joe and let it snuff itself out.